Hey guys, it's special. It's hot, it's popping, and it's special. And I get a few hours ago. So yeah, I have on nails, but I have to get them to an acrylic. And my hair a little nice when that is and I have to keep it. And today we're going to go marshmallow slime. So I buy from shop. It's not like how you guys so this is gonna go like to Target or store or supermarket, but I buy 2 packs for $1, and I like eat one and then what's coming home back because it's like just like 1 minute away or what the case is. So give me a minute, I'm gonna bring that back. So yeah, but let me show you stuff back there anymore. They'll make hair around baby nice, that's my baby brother. Not bad about that. Do this one. Oh, and I can't find cornstarch. So I can't find cornstarch. So I'm using flour. So I'll come back to you. First I have the bowl. So I'm gonna put these in the bowl and I'll come back right to you guys. So yeah guys, I put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. So time to come back, it will melt. So guys, 30 seconds is up. I'm not going for it. So yeah. So I put them in the microwave for 30 seconds. Let's see how it is. Look at this, keep it in. So I have to go put it back in the microwave for 20 seconds again. So yeah. Okay, so you might hear another little sound. That is the chickens outside in the yard. So yeah guys, I put it for 30 seconds again. This one is jumbling up. Look at the thing. Yeah guys. So yeah guys, my friend is still got the bag and it is here cool enough. So can I get back to you? I'm gonna put the flour in and it smells really good. So yeah guys. Bye. No, my phone is soon dead. The camera is soon dead to me. So, nothing like that. I'm just going to put flour in so I can come right back to you. The flour, I have it in a container. You can see. So, yeah, so much flour first. And I'm going to mix it. I'm going to throw it all over the place so I'm going to come back to you. This is still hot by the way, but it's still not actually hot, but warm. The bottom is actually warm. Shut this. Yeah. It will not really do the same because the flour that I have is actually thick. So yeah, I'll be back. Yeah guys, so this is how it's going to do. Yeah. I have here a project adjustment because we couldn't know it to be on camera. Yeah, it's actually still hot. I don't know if you're supposed to put it in hot or not, but I like it like this. And it's actually like sticky. So yeah, it's time to eat. It's my favorite thing. Yeah, that's very good. So, I'm going to eat the rest. I'm going to finish TV. My hair is popping blues. And I want you to subscribe, like, and comment below what else you want me to do. And do the same thing on your standard. So, bye guys. Hope you like it. I love all your subscribers.